Hello everyone. Today I would like to discuss with you how do you write a functional test with Selenium WebDriver and Mocha JavaScript. So I already have a Mocha JavaScript project, and you can make it by saying my video unit test with Mocha JavaScript. I describe video of this thing in my description section. So let's start and add my first dependency of Selenium WebDriver in this project. So I copy this dependency from there to my package.json file. So this now dependency has been added, and I open my command prompt. I move to the directory cd test2. If Selenium WebDriver is not installed on your project, you can install it by using this command. So it takes some time for installation. It installs the Selenium WebDriver in my project test2. So now you can see it in my test2 module node.modules. We see that Selenium WebDriver folder, and also I need one chromedriver.exe file. So I pick my chrome.exe. For opening the Chrome browser, we need this file, and I put it here and paste it in test2. So what I did, I add the first dependency here, then I install my Selenium WebDriver, and then I place my file chromedriver.exe. So refresh my project, you can see my chromedriver.exe file. You can see my Selenium WebDriver folder. I am finding it, this one. This is Selenium WebDriver folder. So let's start writing our first project. I clear this. I add file appTest.js in my document test folder. This is my test script. So what does I do? First I start writing test case for my login script. This I want to add a script which does which enter username and password and click sign in, and user will be at sign on page. So what I need to do first, I need to initialize my WebDriver. I copy this command here and write it here. Second thing I need to do is add one constant, and this constant basically assert your code. Then I need a one by until. then I need my by class, then I need one until, and then I need one driver variable. So this command basically open your Chrome browser. Then I need to write describe. What does this describe? This describe is basically a test suite. Test suite for new tour application. And then I need to define timeout for this script. This.timeout is 5 millisecond, and I need to write before function. What does this before function do? This before function execute before all test cases. So, and this before function contains command driver.get. It will open new tour website. Then I will write after function. What does this after function do? After function basically close your browser. Driver.quit is basically close your browser. So now I move towards other commands, and after command I will start writing my test case, first test case. So what does this test case do? This test case basically verify that user login successfully with valid credentials. And first thing I need to write is about driver.wait. Wait until titles. This means driver wait until title is welcome Mercury Tour. This is the when I open this URL, this is my URL. When I open this URL, my title is welcome Mercury Tour. So this command actually says that wait until, driver should wait until title is this. And the next command is driver.getTitle. Now this command actually get title of page when page is loaded successfully, and compare this title welcome Mercury Tour with this welcome Mercury Tour. This is my title, and this is my expected result, so it should be same. The next step, I need to add some sleep. So my application wait for the element loaded properly. I add some wait here, and you can miss this wait based on your application response time, and then I start writing my first command. So what does this command do? This command basically enter username admin. And what does this command do? This command is actually driver.wait until element located by name. By name is username. So when I inspect this, and you can say this is name, this is password, and this also have name login. So I pick all elements by their name. So first thing command does is driver actually wait until element is present, and when element is present, driver is we initialize variable driver.find element, driver find this element, and then driver click, then element user.click function is performed, and user.send keys function is performed. Then similarly same code goes for the password entering, and I enter code for password entering. I think I missed something. Password is entered now, and then I need to write code for login. This step actually, this piece of code actually click the login button, and then we add some wait, and then we need to verify that either this element is present or not. So when I enter valid username and password, and I click sign in, I am on sign on page, so I verify it by this sign on link. So I write my code driver.wait until element located by link id sign on, and console.output will generate. So I click save all, and I run command npm run test. My script is failed due to unexpected error. My test is running now, and Chrome browser is open with my commands, and this enter username and password with execution is very fast, so you can't see it, and right now you can see that this is pass. So I close this quiet browser command, so you can see your code. I save this command, and I again enter it, running my test again. Now browser is open. Username and password is enter and click sign in, and this sign in button is verified. So my test verifies the name is login successfully is passed, and we print the user can login successfully here. So it also appear at this. So this function has performed. They are testing successfully, and this is pass. Thank you for watching this video.